Good morning, friends. We're going to go through today and talk about the letters that we learned in Letterland this past week and the new characters that we met. But the first thing I want to do is I want to go through with our Letterland picture cards. Remember that our characters have sent to us, and go through and see if we can make the right sounds. So what I'm going to do is show you the card, and then you make the sound before I make the sound. It's kind of like a race. So let's see who can do it the fastest. Are you ready? Here we go. Ah. Eh, eh, eh. Mmm. Ah, ah. D, d, d. Remember this one? This one's hard for me to do and hold the card. Oh. G, g, g. J, j, j. B, b, b. Eh, eh. Qua, qua. P, p. K, k. Great job. You guys did so good at that. You're getting really, really good at remembering the sounds in words and the sounds that our Letterland characters make. So now we're going to go over the ones that we got to meet this week when we were at school. Does anybody remember who we met at school this week? Right? We met Sammy Snake. And what does Sammy Snake say in words? That's right. He says s, like a snake. But is Sammy Snake a regular snake? No. Sammy Snake is a talking snake. He makes his sound at the beginning of words. Can you point to where Sammy Snake starts the word snake? That's right. We see Sammy Snake here starting the word snake. Let's look at some other words that Sammy Snake might start. How about this number? That's right, the number 7. Sammy Snake starts the word 7. How about this word? Sun. That's right. And we know that this is a short word. We can sound it out. Sun, sun. Very good job sounding that word out. So we remember that we know Sammy Snake says s in words. And we remember that when we read, we don't see Sammy Snake, we see his letter, S. And his letter says the sound when you say the letter name, S. Hear Sammy Snake's sound in his letter name, S. Let's look now at the next character we met. Ooh, she's really cool, and she likes to talk on the phone. Does anybody remember who she is? Her name is Talking Tess. Remember that Talking Tess starts in word like 10 and top and tell with her t sound. And remember, we can remember that by pretending we're on the telephone. T. Let's look at some pictures of words that Talking Tess might start. Like this one we just mentioned, a telephone. Talking Tess loves to talk on the telephone. Can you point to where Talking Tess starts the word telephone? That's right, there she starts in that word telephone. How about this? This is a picture of a tiger. That's right. Point to where Talking Tess starts in the word tiger. There she is. She starts tiger with her t sound. How about this last picture? This is the number 10. That's right, Talking Tess starts in the number 10. And remember, this is a short word too, so we can sound it out. Ten, 10. That's the word 10. Talking Tess has 10 telephones in her office. So remember, talking Tess says t in words. And when we're reading, do we see talking Tess? No, we see her letter. Her letter is T. This is talking Tess's letter T, and it makes the same sound in words. T, t, t. The last one character we met in Letterland yesterday was Uppy Umbrella, who says in words. Remember? And we use our hands like we're opening an umbrella. To remember Uppy Umbrella's sound. Now we remember that Uppy Umbrella doesn't start a lot of words, but we do know that Uppy Umbrella starts in the word under. These arrows are pointing under the table. We also know Uppy Umbrella starts in the word up and umbrella. Point to where Uppy Umbrella starts the word umbrella. That's right, there she is at the start. But we remember that Uppy Umbrella is in lots of middles of the words. So like sun, she is in the middle of that word. Uppy Umbrella is in the middle of the word sun. Now remember, when we're reading, we don't see Uppy Umbrella, we see her letter, U. This is her letter, U. She shares this letter with Mr. U, who we will meet in Letterland soon. So remember, Uppy Umbrella says in words. We also see her in lots of different places in words. She can be at the start and she can be in the middle of words as well. In our next video, we're going to play some games with these letters that we practiced this week, and we're going to practice listening to the sound that those letters make.